Welcome to the WoLearning online learning platform. In this video, we will go through tips on how to utilize the target schedules for learning paths. It's possible to set a target schedule for each of the steps in the learning path. These target schedules guide the users on when they should complete the steps. The schedules for each step can be defined in the Steps view from the Steps Settings button. The target schedule can be a specific date or time from when the user was added to the path. It's also possible to send automatic email reminders for the users of the approaching target schedules. The email reminders can be enabled in the Learning Path settings. You can define how many reminders will be sent and also when the reminders will be sent. Note that the reminders will be sent separately for each step. Let's go through some examples on how to define the learning path's target schedules. As an example, we will be using a path consisting of 5 steps, and the goal is that the user will complete the path in 1 month. Email reminders of approaching target schedules are turned on. In the first example, we want to set the target schedule for each of the steps separately, and this way guide the user's progress on the path. Since we want to avoid the user receiving 5 emails a day about completing the same learning path, we don't want to set the same date for all the steps. So we are going to stagger the dates and set a different target schedule for each of the steps like this. This way, when the email reminders are turned on, the user won't receive multiple emails per day. In the second example, we want that the learning path will only have one target schedule. So we are going to add the target schedule only for the final step on the path, and the user will only get reminders of this one step. The user can also receive multiple reminders of this one step's target schedule if the learning path settings are defined so that multiple reminders will be sent. So, if the email reminders for learning path target schedules are turned on, the reminders will be automatically sent of each step that has a target schedule. The reminders will be sent as many times as has been defined in the learning path settings, for example, 1 month before the target schedule and 1 week before the target schedule and so on, and also when the deadline has expired. Note also that target schedules can also be set for courses in the course settings, but if the course is primarily completed as a part of the learning path, it might make more sense to only set the target schedules through the path and not through the course settings. This makes it easier to manage the path schedules, and it's also more straightforward for the user as well.